I'm Sherry Pavlovich from Confessions of a Refashionista, and you're watching Hometalk. For this quick and snuggly project, you'll need... So your first step is to simply flip your leggings inside out. Next, you want to stitch the ends of the legs closed. Now, of course, you can use your sewing machine to do this, or you can simply glue them closed as well, but I prefer to use just a really quick and easy running stitch with a back stitch, and this is more than enough to hold the legs closed for the next step. Once you have both of the legs stitched up, then it's time to flip the leggings right side out. And here is my quick tip for affordable stuffing. Get yourself pillows from discount stores and dollar stores. They are, of course, stuffed with stuffing that is very similar to the type that you can get at craft stores, except it is much cheaper. Next, we are going to stuff both of the legs of those leggings. Now, you definitely want this to be firmly stuffed, but still on the soft side. Once you have the legs stuffed all the way down to the ends on both sides, then you can decide how you want to deal with that waistband area, because the goal here is to eventually just have one long stuffed tube of fabric. So you can either simply fold that waistband over and stick it or stitch it in place, or you can, of course, trim it off and then fold in the raw edges and stitch it in place. And now I also have some elastic for a future project. So here you can see I have tucked in my raw edges and I am just stitching it closed with a very quick and easy whip stitch. Now you can, of course, stitch it closed with your machine, or if you want to do a totally no-sew version, just grab your glue gun. Next, grab that other pair of leggings and flip them inside out and repeat the whole process. So now once you have both of your legging tubes completed, you want to lay them together in an X formation. Alrighty, now comes the kind of confusing part, but it is all worth it in the end, I promise. So first you want to grab this underleg and cross it over. All right. Next, we're going to grab the other underleg here and cross that over. And then we're going to grab this one here from the bottom and cross that one over. And there's one left, and we're going to grab that and stuff it through the kind of loop of that first leg. So now we definitely have something that looks like a knot. Now, before we move on to the next steps, it really is a good idea to just go through and really give each of those legs a good pull, just to make sure they are very secure and tight. Once you're happy that your knots are all nice and secure, then flip your almost finished pillow over and grab each one of the remaining free kind of octopus legs here and twist it around and then stitch it into place on the back. So once you're finished with all of your stitching or gluing, you'll have something that looks kind of like this on the back, but on the front it is so cool and so lovely and soft and knotted, and now it's time to give it pride of place. Once you're happy with your knot cushion, then simply pop it in your favorite seat and snuggle up with it, plus a good book and your favorite cup of tea. For more awesome upcycling tutorials, stick around for more of my Confessions of a Refashionista videos on Hometalk.